Changing your payout method on US Bancorp is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the US Bancorp website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Select payout method. In the account settings, find the option for payout method or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Choose a new payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Then, confirm the changes by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or Update. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for confirmation of the changes. Following these steps will help you successfully update your payout method with US Bancorp.